Hello there! Does this calculator not work for you? Is it not good enough for you for some reason? And for some reason you want to make a calculator yourself? Something that looks a little bit more organic and man-made or handmade yourself? Because for some reason the default calculator of your computer just doesn't work for you? Because why does it not work? It has standard scientific programmer data calculation, and it even has a converter, at least for Windows 10 I believe. It can convert speed and time power, and then it has a programmer data calculation standard and scientific calculator all in one. What more could you ask for? But, hey, I'm not judging your lifestyle. So, if you want to make a calculator, much less in this program, well, this tutorial's for you. Yeah! So let's get started. First off, you're gonna need to make a new project. Click new project, and then Windows Form application. I already started a new project, and this was not necessary for me, but I gotta show you. Well, you probably already did that, and if you didn't, well, now you know. Ha ha ha. So, here's our form thingy. We'll start with it. We'll make a thing. What we need is some buttons. First, let's make a close button, just because. Over here will be our close button. Let's go to its properties and change this button. Let's say close. Yeah, because screw the X button, the close button is way better. The close command is not that hard. Just type in close, open and close parentheses, and then you're done. It'll probably autocorrect for you, but just in case, I did it myself. Just because I can, and I know the code, and I can't, and so why not? Next, we're gonna have to look up, what was it called again? Crap, it's been a long time. No, this is not a good tutorial. Text box. Huh. 2 of them. Let's make 2 of them. Yeah. What these 2 are for is for comparison. Yeah, they're the comparisons. So for example, addition, then this will be the sum, and this will be the... Wait, is that the right term? Let me check. Yeah, okay, so addend and addend, and then the sum and the total. Okay. Whoa, minuend and subtrahend. Whoa, these are terms that I forgot because, frankly, why would I need to know what an addend and the subtrahend is? Why do I need to know what a multiplier and the multicland is? And why are they all different? Why is it in the addition, it's called a sum, and in subtraction, it's called the difference, and in multiplication, it's called the product, and Actually, wow. This thing has everything. You should go to this website if you're having trouble with math. I know I will in the future. I wonder. Moving on, back to the thing. So these things will be our comparators. They're compares. And next up, we'll add 4 buttons. We'll get into that later. Well, actually, I might as well explain why I need you guys to make 4 buttons. You see, or gals, these buttons are your addition, multiplication, subtraction, and stuff. Actually, there's probably a way better way to do this, but I forgot. Maybe with, like, checkboxes. Well, too late for that now. So these are our buttons. We got here, this will be our addition, which we shall be doing first. Addition. And over here will be our subtraction. And then multiplication. And then finally, division. There. Well, I guess we need another text box or a label. Not text box. Let's go with a text box since, what's it called again? As long as they all look the same, then things will look very fine and dandy. Let's make them be like this. Yeah, that's a good GUI if I've ever seen one. Let's add in a label here, just because. And this label is gonna be, nope, frick. How about this? Yeah, this looks a lot nicer. Good enough. Nice. Okay, maybe that's a little too long, but it does the trick, and it's good enough for me. Yay! Alright, that is kind of too long. Yeah, that looks good enough. A little shorter. Gosh. Curse me and my OCD. Not really, but I don't know what it's called for when you're like this in real life. Okay, I just want to change the layout a little bit. Skip this part. Alright, so now that I'm done being a dummy, let's start with the addition. I'm definitely not doing this YouTube video because I have an assignment or anything. Totally not. Alright, so yeah, this is addition, right? Yep, this is addition. Alright, before we do that, we need to make some divs. Div classes. Yeah, not dick, div. Div. Wait, is this right? Oh wait, it's dim, not div. Dim. A as integer. Yeah. I can put in multiple, right? Yeah. A, B, and C. Alright. First comparator. Second comparator. And then result. That should not be a capital. Result. Yeah. Just by looking at it, you probably already know. First comparator, second comparator, and then result. Yeah. Should I allow result to be interchangeable? Yeah, let's make it interchangeable. And shouldn't this start off with 0? Yeah, let's do that. I just gotta find out where the thing is, where you can change it. Well, I can't find it. Here we go. 0. You're also starting with 0. And you're starting with 0. Alright, off to a good start. Alright, back to... Let's add in a comment. How do you add in comment? Is this how you add a comment? Nope, this is not JavaScript. This is Visual Basic. How do you add in comments? I think is open it. Nope. Okay then, here we go. I remember now. Alright, let's add in a comment so that we don't forget. What is it with me and the letter C today? Alright, so this is our addition code. Let's do this. So, how are we gonna do this? Well, easy. We just gotta compare these two things. You see, these things are text boxes for a reason. It's because we can, use numbers. We could probably add in number buttons here, but there's already a keyboard, so why do we need to do that? So let's not do that. Unless, you want it to look like a real virtual calculator, in which case you can do that, but that would be too cumbersome. And I don't really care, so let's just... Whoa, my bone just cracked. Did anybody hear that? Probably not, hopefully not. Anyway, how do we compare them? Easy! First comparator, second comparator's result, and result is in there. To the rescue! Yeah! So how do we compare them? Hold on, let me check my notepad. I probably should have scripted this, but I just wanted to make a video. Okay, I got it now. For realsies this time, let's go. So, what we're gonna do is text box 1.text, or if for some reason you change the name of your text boxes, you can just look at their properties and write in the name, in this case text box 1.text. Yeah, and what we're gonna do is text 1box.text is gonna be our first comparator, or first input, whatever you want to call it. Whatever. First comparator is equal to textbox1.text. And, as you guessed it, second comparator is equal to the name of your your second text box dot text. Yay! And then result is gonna be first comparator plus the second comparator. Here it is. Yeah! Let's add in a space just because. And there we go. Our thing should be working now. I want to fix it a little bit. I want to fix the code a little bit first and make it look a little cleaner. Yay! Alright, so if we do 10 plus 5 and then addition. Oh, right. That's because we didn't put the result yet on the thing. Whoops. Okay then. Text box 3.text is equal to the result. There we go. You can do this as well, but this one makes it look a lot cleaner for your code. Anyway, that should work now. 20, 9 plus 10 is equal to 21. Nope, 19. But you know, you get the idea, and you can edit it as well. Yeah! But than that, it works. Yeah! Up next is subtraction, multiplication, and division. Well, the moment you finish your addition, you're pretty much done with your calculator, because all of them are literally just the same code. In fact, I don't even need this stupid, useless comment anymore. So get out of my life. So for subtraction, this is subtraction. It's literally just the same code, except you're gonna use this symbol. The one right next to your plus and equal sign on your keyboard. That symbol. Same goes for multiplication. Same code, just use an asterisk. To make the asterisk, just press the 8 button and hold shift while pressing the 8. There you go, an asterisk. And lastly, division. Still the same. Just do the thing, but this time use a forward slash. Nope, not a backslash. A forward slash. This is a forward slash. This is a backslash. This is the forward slash. It must be a forward slash in order to work. Or not, I don't know, I want to try. Does the backslash work? 10 divided by 1. Okay. Okay, then backslashes work. But, you know, still use a forward slash because that's the right forward slash. Yeah, backslashes are for losers. Forward slashes is the only way. So yeah, it works now. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There you go. You made your calculator. Good job. And that's how you make the calculator. Complete with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But like I said, once again, you already have the standard thing right here that can do the same things as this and a few other stuff, such as doing this. Can this calculator do that? No. And this also has a scientific calculator, which I have no idea how you program that, but you can. I probably just can't program it because I suck at math. Yeah. And, you know, at least now you know how people make these calculators in Visual Basic. Probably that's how they do it. Probably a little more simpler and maybe with more complex codes. Maybe. Or not. But, yeah. This is how you make your calculator. Yeah. Okay, bye. Get out of my channel and never come back. Actually, there's one more thing I can show you guys. So anyone who stick long enough to the video, we'll add in a clear button just because. What a clear button is gonna do is, well, all it's really gonna do is it's gonna make all the numbers, everything back to 0. Because why not? do this simple. Text box 1 dot text equal to open and close parentheses 0. Well, you don't need the open and close parentheses since it's already a number. You only use the open and close parentheses for words. But, you know, we'll put in that because why not? We can, right? So, now we should have a clear button that can reset everything. So, like, once you're done and don't feel like doing the this and the this and the this, you can just click this button and it'll return everything back to 0. Yeah, you still have to do this though because, well, not really since you can just add in the thing in there. I probably should have never added those zeros, but hey, I did anyway. Yeah. Alternatively, if you didn't put a 0 like me, you can just make them like that. There's probably a code that clears them out like so, but that's a much nicer way of doing it, I guess. And a lot quicker, since all you have to do is press 2 buttons twice, rather than typing out an actual code. Yeah. Well, that's it for realsies. Goodbye forever.